about to go to the Japanese supermarket.
Oh, dude. Hey, not that much. That's good, that's good. Hey, we have to drink all of it. Let's shake on it.
There's a quitter.
Ginger root water.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Luis here, and I got the Negro de los Negros.
Yo, boy, Luis. No. Cut it.
Beep. Anyways, I got Kevin here, de los Negros. We're about to go to the Japanese supermarket.
It's like a Walmart, but for Chinese people.
And we're gonna go shopping for a bit, and we're gonna try out some
weird stuff.
Right now we're in the Mustang. Hey, look. It's not a 10-speed though. Alright, let's head out. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Alright guys, we just pulled up here to the store.
Yo, what's good? We just got here, arrived. We're about to go inside, go buy some food for you guys to see us suffer.
Yeah, let's see.
Enjoy it. Yo, what's up, guys?
Alright,
so we just started off. The first item, some young cocoa nuts.
We're looking at the drinks. Just look.
Different flavors, because this looks pretty nasty. Everybody knows about these drinks.
These drinks are fire, bro. Honestly, these drinks are A1.
Get these up right now.
Just look at them. Look, there's all kinds of, bro, all kinds of juices, bro. Look at that.
We got lychee. That's a really weird name, but we're gonna try it out. I'm excited for Lise to try this one out. I am not gonna try this one.
Alright, so we just got some bags.
We just got the bags. We got the goodies.
We got a goodies.
We're about to pull up 5-0.
Look at that 5-0.
You already know what I'm saying.
Alright guys, we just pulled up to the house. We're about to try them out. We got some good, nasty things, but you guys are about to see them. Huh, Kevin?
Yes, sir. All right, are you ready?
Alright, first item.
Prepared shredded squid.
With orange.
All right. Can you pass me your knife, sir, please?
Oh, chill out, fool. Hey, just a little piece, fool. Yeah, gotta go small piece.
Smaller? All right.
What about you don't like it, fool?
We're gonna try to swallow it, okay?
Yeah, we'll try.
All right.
Ready? Look. Go. 1, 2. It's not that bad, fool.
It's not good.
Wait.
Nah. Pass me the trash.
Nah, you gotta eat it, fool. No! Oh, this is fucking gross.
Alright guys, it was not good at all.
At the beginning it was tasting good, right? Like I could taste the orange and everything, but then like I started like,
I think that's what messed it up for me though. Orange.
Alright, so next item is like this drink. So mine's mangosteen, and what's yours?
Mine is leech nectar.
Leche. Hopefully they're good, because the first item was pretty nice.
Smell it.
Bro, this one smells good, bro. Smell it.
Ooh.
Bro, that one smells good. I think these are gonna be good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mine was pretty good.
Yeah, that one's good, bro.
Let's watch this one.
Ooh, dude.
Bro, they taste the same. Bro.
This one is better. This one has more flavor.
Man, these drinks are good.
Bro, that's a thumbs up. So now we have
Crab chips,
guys.
Smell it.
Whoa, dude. Don't smell that good.
They look like chicharrones.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Those are good, bro.
They're like just salty, bro.
I like these a lot. These taste good.
Hey.
Thumbs up.
Shrimp chips. A spicy flavor.
What did you say?
Shrimp.
These aren't shrimp.
What is it?
Cause shrimp. Oh, they do look like that.
I'm telling you, bro. Oh my god.
Okay, here, open it up. Oh, dude, those don't smell good.
Bro, son.
Oh,
Like,
hold up.
Smell them again. 1, 2. You're gonna eat it, fool? You can't leave me alone.
They smell horrible, dude. They ain't that bad. Thumbs up.
Another one. Up next.
Oh, dude.
Bro, I don't know what the hell these are, fool.
Oh, dude.
What do they smell like?
Dude, what the heck? No. Bro, they look like uvas. Grapes?
Comment down below if you guys know what these are. 3, 2, 1.
Look how nice hair is, man.
Kevin likes them.
That's nasty, bro. Ugh.
You just threw that whole thing away.
Bro, that's gross. I didn't like him. I don't like him.
I don't know how to explain this, but
They taste like candy, right? Like,
yeah, they taste like candy, but less sugary, less flavored. Next item.
oh, bro. Guys, honestly, I don't know what the hell this is, right? Because there's no like label that we can read. I saw it has a green apple look on the side.
No.
You can't get much more.
We got some shots. No, hey, what? No, like, what are you doing? Dude, come on.
1, 2, 3.
It tastes like
It tastes like roots.
yeah, it tastes like roots. Exactly.
It's an apple drink, but it tastes like roots. Like the roots from a tree. Like just take, like I don't know where, just buy one, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's what it tastes
What's
like.
that taste like? Oh,
It wasn't that bad.
I didn't like it, bro.
All right, so we're gonna give this a thumbs down.
Gross.
So I was looking at this and
Obviously, it's expired.
it is expired.
It's expired since like
So
5-6 months ago.
he threw it out.
Yeah,
and
someone drank it.
I drank it. So we'll see what happens. All right, next item is cool. So this one is cheese.
That's cheese. This is seed, and we got seaweed. Seaweed chips. These three.
What kind of?
All right, guys.
Like the aftertaste tastes like fish.
All right, guys. So this tastes like after fish
Taste.
The aftertaste tastes like fish.
Yes. Next we got them green plants, the good stuff. Oh shit.
Oh,
Damn.
you smell that?
Hey, they smell like
This smells like
wheat.
yeah, like plants.
Like las hierbas. Like
Yeah,
you go outside,
exactly.
están quitando las hierbas. Two. Whoa. Bro, those are way too strong.
So now next
We got seaweed.
seaweed
Chips.
So it looks like it actually does have
Seaweed on it. Like
seaweed
like
on it.
Like seasoning of seaweed. Ready? 1, 2. You're not that bad.
You can't taste it that much.
You only taste like chips.
So let's rate them.
Okay, honestly, I think it's gonna be like this. First, second, third. So third is last.
Yeah,
Because it's ass.
obviously.
What do you throw? Look at these.
Squid again.
Bro, hot chili squid chips. Oh.
Alright, so we're about to try this.
So it's a hot chili squid chip. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh, guys, that was nasty. Like, and that was still a little piece like this. Damn, big box.
Alright, so these are mango cake.
Some pastelitos de mango.
Ooh, they smell so
Bro,
good.
these smell so good, bro.
Ready?
We're gonna try it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thick.
Dry.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are good, bro.
Thumbs up for me.
Yeah, same here. They're pretty good. What's next? Bro, really? Really? Alright guys, if you guys do not know, we got palm juice. Palm, palmas?
It don't smell that bad at all.
It does for me.
It smells good.
It smells like a tree.
Alright, we'll see.
Right in there.
Oh,
Damn.
no.
No, hey, no,
No.
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 You're the one who poured it. There. Nigga, oh my, look, this nigga filled it up all the way. No, stop being a little.
Oh no. Let me see how much. No, Luis, are you serious? There's nothing.
Yes,
bro.
there is.
No.
No, you can't fill it. I have some already in there. There. Straight up palm juice.
Is it?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, palm juice.
Palmas. The Guashi capital. You guys get it.
That tastes good. That tastes good.
Wow, that's.
That tastes real good. Thumbs up for me.
Hey, that mine's like in the middle.
Alright, on
Next item is.
Oh, dude.
Don't even start with me, bro. You're playing games. Honestly, when we were buying these, I told Kevin, don't get it. But obviously, I got distracted. I was looking for something else. Bro, he snuck it in the shopping cart, fool. We were paying, right? Then I was on the phone. I didn't notice he was putting everything. Then I see this mom rolling by ginger root water.
3-year-old.
Looks nasty. Oh, dude. Smell it. Smell it. Oh. Hey, let me pour you some shots. Bartender.
Hey, not that much. That's good, that's it.
Oh. Bro. Dumbass.
You are retarded.
Dude, I think that's good, bro. I think that is
That's not.
good.
That's a drip.
A drip?
I mean, that's a drop.
Hey, we have to drink all of it. Let's shake on it.
No,
Hey,
we're
hey.
not gonna. No. Oh, the shot.
Yeah.
Hey, $100.
Alright.
You
Whatever's
drink
on
half?
your cup.
Huh?
We just shook on it.
Hey, $100.
No. No.
No. Listen to this.
Bro, what the fuck? Where the fuck did you
Look.
pour it from? Oh
Look.
my god, no, bitch.
$100. If you drink half, and you drink half.
No,
Bet.
dude. Here.
100? Bro.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Oh.
That's what I thought.
No, you have to drink it all.
No, this is way too much.
Nah, hey, pour some in there.
Bro, hey, pour some in here then.
Bro, this is like, it's all the way up here.
That's how you. That's almost a full shot.
Alright. Yes.
Bro,
That's good.
I still have a little bit.
No, because yours is like insulated a little bit.
No,
Mine
it's
is
not.
skinny, bro. So we are gonna leave it at that. Okay.
No, we're.
Okay, we need like. You have to at least try to, okay? Don't be a puss.
No, we shook on it. We're gonna drink it all.
Okay.
Nah.
No.
At least swallow it. Spitters and quitters.
Hey, just cover your nose, fool.
Damn, it smells like a tree in here.
Spitters are quitters.
We did not fucking spit it out. We drank it. We spit our saliva.
You're gonna throw it away?
Yes? Are you gonna drink it?
No.
What's next? These are guayaba slices.
really don't. Dude, this does not look good, bro.
Dude, they look like dried mushrooms.
Let's go on a trip, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Down, cook. It's like candy, fool.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Wait, all slices?
Next. What's next? This is young coconut candy.
It smells good.
I smelled it.
Here, no. It smells good.
Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, cook.
Yeah, I'm not having it.
Yeah, mine was pretty good, fool.
Mine is not good.
Try the green one.
Thumbs down.
Try the green one.
They have different tastes, fool.
Yeah, they do.
I'm not trying any other different taste.
Okay.
So we got
Mogu juice.
tamarindo right here. We got peach flavor.
We got lychee and we got orange. Alright, first one, orange. Mogu. Oh, and they have like little balls inside, like bubble tea, you know?
That don't taste that good, huh?
It's pretty good. Huh?
You like it?
It's orange, fool.
Tastes like medicine.
Suero?
Yeah, suero, fool. Leech fruit. Let's go.
Damn, big shot. That's a good one. Oh, I don't know why, but when I first took a sip, it tasted like candle wax, fool, for a bit.
What?
Yeah. You know how like when you light up a candle, like you can smell it, like when they're flavored candles? That's how it tastes like.
I recommend this brand because there's big chunks of coconut. This is tamarindo.
Tamarindo, if you guys don't know in English.
Tamarind
Tamarindo.
in English.
Tamarindo.
Tamarind.
Tamarindo.
Tamarindo. Let's get it.
You see there's like pieces of coconut in there.
Coco Mata.
You see?
Next up is peach flavor. Thumbs up for me too. First, second, third, fourth place. Juvies. Yeah.
Look, it's these ones right here, look. It has liquid, right? But it has like the little coconuts. Mango flavor.
This is strawberry. Alright, this is original flavor. You know what that tastes like?
What?
That.
Like palm juice?
This tastes like this. You don't like it?
Honestly, this is first strawberry, and obviously this one's trash.
On to the next. We got black sesame mochi green tea. Strawberry flavored.
Mochi's, guys, is ice cream. It's pretty good.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Black sesame. Why?
I don't like them. Alright, so up next is green tea. That shit was nasty. It's supposed to taste like green tea, but it tastes like fish. Strawberry. Mochis. Finally.
Bro, that was so winner.
And to finish off the video from eating some strange things, right? Tasting different, we're gonna end it up with some Buffalo Wild Wings, brother. You're Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We tried some different kinds of food, well for us, right? Like some weird chips, some weird food, some weird drinks. Go in the comment section below, tell me which ones you guys liked, which one would you guys try. So yeah guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys did find it entertaining. And if you guys are new, make sure you guys do drop a like, share the video. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every single time I upload. El Negro de los Negros, Kevin, to myself, add us on Snapchat, they're gonna be down there. It's been Kevin, myself, cameraman, some weird foods, and we're out. Peace!